There we go. Okay. Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you.
Okay. Okay, so I've got the prep open. Just gonna get to the textbook for that first problem.
Sounds good. I did find the batting averages. They don't give you, like, they don't make the calculations for you, but they do give you the averages, but I still didn't know where to go from there.
Okay. So do you have to click on that link, batting averages, in order to get it, or is it just...
Yeah, you click on batting averages, and then it takes you to the list of all the files that they have, and then you click on it again, and it'll bring it up.
See what it does without SPSS. I think I'm gonna have to do it over there. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
You guys have any fun plans for the weekend?
We're gonna go shopping.
Nice.
It's kind of
What are you guys shopping for?
Oh, just food.
Oh, nice. Grocery shopping. Gotta love it.
I don't know. I like shopping no matter what it's for almost all the time. So
Yeah.
It's good.
I like
What
it
about
too,
you?
but I don't like it when I don't meet my budget.
Yeah, exactly.
Drives me crazy. Okay, well, while that's loading, let's skip number 1 and 2. You got 3 and 4 on the prep, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And 5.
Okay. Okay, I think I got the batting averages here.
It's weird because they have multiple years, which
Yeah.
we don't get. So maybe we should just not worry about it. I don't know.
Yeah, because it doesn't have anything like that on the homework or the quiz.
Yeah, I looked at the homework and it didn't look like it had anything like that. So
Because there's a ton, and I wish she kind of just gave us like a smaller table of those averages that we needed for that specific problem, because I don't even know what like average to look at.
me neither. So we could just skip it, and maybe I'll see if I can meet with Sister Withers and see if it's important for us to be able to do.
Okay. Cool. Okay, so number 6. So this is going to be regarding the GRE scores.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have to worry about the speed of hydrogen in this problem. So 6A, I mean, it's just asking you to say what the mean and then the deviation is. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, so what proportion of the people who take the quantitative portion of the GRE will score above 165? So what you'll do is you'll figure out the z-score first.
Okay.
So you're going to take 165 minus 150.8 divided by 8.8.
Okay.
And then you'll get the z-score and you'll plug it into that applet. There on the bottom, and then you'll shade after the line of that z-score, whether it's it should be positive, but
Okay.
I'm gonna get to the applet. Just make
Yeah,
sure.
me too. I'm like, okay, I gotta find the applet again.
I remember, yeah.
Did we get the applet in lesson 5?
Yeah. Yeah, so week 3, lesson 5. It's in the book. I'm just going to go to the textbook. Okay, so what did you get for the z-score?
For the z-score, I got 1.61. What did you get?
1 sec. So it was, I already forgot the problem. 165 minus 150.8 equals that, divided by 8.8. Ah, messed up. So yeah, I got that too.
Okay.
So then you'll plug it into the z-score there, and you're just going to shade to the right of that red line of the positive z-score, not the negative one.
Okay. And then that would be 0.1074.
All right, do you have the middle part shaded too?
No, I don't.
So you put 1.61 in the z-score there?
Yeah, so it should actually be, the area should be 0.0537, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah, I just didn't unmark the other one on accident.
Oh, okay. No, you're good. Perfect. Okay, so then that's your answer for that one. So basically when it's asking what proportion, it's also asking what's the area. I don't know why they don't just say the area. It'd make it a lot easier on people.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're just going to use the probability applet to find certain variables, and that's all they want.
Yeah. Basically, you don't really use SPSS in here. I mean, on the last problem, they're going to ask you what looks normal and what doesn't. You understand that, right?
Yeah.
From the reading? Okay. Yeah. So C, it's asking if the student scores in the 10th percentile, what would their corresponding z-score be?
Mm-hmm.
So you go to the z-score and all you do is, you go to the applet and you'll put in 10% in the area, but you'll put it in as a decimal, so 0.1. So then you should get 1.282.
For the z-score?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay, I'm just going to double check what the answer key says because I put negative 1.82. I guess it doesn't matter either way.
Either way, the absolute value of the z-score is going to be the same.
Right. You're right. So let's see what she puts as the answer just in case. If it's negative or positive. So she put a negative.
Okay.
Oh, I get why. So it's because 10% is going to be, so kind of in your mind, like with the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, you can know that if you draw a line from 0, like straight down the middle, 0, that's basically your 50% line. So 10% is going to be to the left.
Lower.
It's not going to be after 50%. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
So that's why it's going to be the negative one and not the positive one.
Okay, and D, what is a quantitative GRE score for a student who scores at the 10th percentile? Isn't that what we already just did? Or are they saying what number?
So this one, they're asking for the X value. So you'll plug that z-score that you just got in C into the z-score. So it'll be negative 1.28 equals x minus 150.8 divided by 8.8. So then you'll multiply 8.8 and the negative 1.28 together, and then you'll add 150.8 to that to get the x value. Did you get that?
So you're adding negative 152 point something? What is that number?
150. So you're adding the mean, basically,
Okay,
that
gotcha.
it gives you up there.
Gotcha.
So let me get to my calculator. Negative 1.28 times 8.8 equals that plus 150.8. So what did you get?
I got 139.5184.
Perfect. So then you'll round it to
Okay.
140. That's just what she has in her answer key, but awesome.
Okay.
So now number 7 is basically the same type of problems, but it's regarding the hydrogen speed of hydrogen values.
Okay, so I'll just save that and do that myself.
Okay.
And then the other problems, I know whether to tell whether it's normal or not, so I think we're good. Now I know.
Yeah, do you want to do 7E? That one's a different one.
Sure.
It's asking what it is between. So basically, you're going to find the z-score. You're going to find two different z-scores.
Yeah, so if you're going to find it for 1500,
so you're going to take
2500 and then subtract it. Are you still
enough?
Sorry. So all you do is you find the z-score for 1500 and then for 2500 and you subtract them, right?
Right. Good job. Yep.
Awesome.
Yep. Exactly.
Thanks.
Just make sure the larger one or the smaller one from the larger one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. I think I finally am getting an idea.
Yeah. I know it was weird at the beginning. I'm like, oh my gosh. Like I would do the problem to make sure I would get the same answer that she had on the answer key. And then I'd be like, how did I just do that again?
Yeah.
And it wasn't till the quiz last night and then the homework today that I'm like, oh, got it.
I'm glad. Thank
So,
you for helping me out.
Yeah, of course. Anytime. Is there any other questions?
I don't think so. Let me look at the rest. No, I think I know how to do it now. I wrote down what you told me to do and stuff so I can follow it through for the next problem and kind of get a feel for it. So
Cool. Yeah, awesome. Okay, just text me if you have any other questions.
Okay.
Okay, are you going to post this then today with yesterday's video? Okay.
I'll post it right after we get done so I don't forget.
Okay, sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
See you later. Have a good weekend.
Bye.
Bye.